Hello, my name is Tova Gaster, and this is my Chapter 6 YouTube problem number 13. So for this problem, first, I created a function to calculate the slope from 2 points, and the points are x1, y1, x2, y2. And to do that, the formula for slope is rise over run, so y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I defined that as slope, and I put that as a float, so it would include a decimal point, and then return slope to make the function fruitful. And so when we test that first one, it comes out with 0 and 0.5, which is what we want. And then the second part of the problem is to create a function that uses slope as a helper function that calculates the y-intercept from 2 points. So to do that first, I called the helper function the slope from above, and then defined that as m to put into the equation. And then to calculate the y-intercept from the standard y equals mx plus b formula, it turns into b equals y minus mx, which is slope times the x point, and then return b to make that fruitful to return the y-intercept. And the y2 and the x2 are the points that we use to plug into the equation to calculate the y-intercept. And so then when we run that, it comes out as 3, 7, and 5, which is what we were expecting. That'll be all. Thank you.